So I just received a package from Amazon today, which I've been waiting for the past 3 days. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so we're going to open it now so we can see what's inside. Yeah, there we go. So what we have here is this guy. Looks like it's a clamp. Looks like it's a clamp. Interesting. So there's nothing inside, only the manual. Okay, so let's see what's this. What do you think, guys? This is all about. So we have a clamp in here, and we have this kind of like a cord something. Okay, so I just okay, yeah, I will put this on the table and we'll see how it looks like in more details. Okay, so this one is we need to attach this one here. Wow, looks like it's resisting. Oh, I need to untighten this a little bit and put this one inside. Yeah, and then I can tighten this one. Boil, and that's it. That's the idea. So this one can now move like this. Okay, so pretty much maybe you have some idea what's this all about. Well, this is actually a holder for phones and iPads. So this one, the maximum you can put in here is about, I think, about 7 inch. Okay, so I now have this setup, and we are going to try to demonstrate how this is being used. So this one is supposed to hold this one, that. And then I'm going to try to open this one, and so this one is a clamp. It's going to serve as a clamp. So if I'm going to untighten this, then this one can just, you can adjust this one for the clamp. This is a clamp. Okay, so I'm going to clamp it here. So I think the good thing about this is if you have a thick table, it can about 1.5 inch thick, or 1/4 inch. It can go as wide as 1 1/4 inch, this one. So I'm going to clamp it here. Okay, so that is how I clamp. Just clamp it here in on the edge of this table. Now I can so basically this is where I'm going to use this cell phone holder. And I'm going to review some gadgets like this camera. So this is make it a little bit more convenient because you can just position it anywhere you want, because what happened is this one is like a spring but it's a little bit more stiff, so you can just adjust it anywhere you want. So try to adjust how you want to how you want the camera is positioned so that you can get the best angle to take your video. So that's the use of this. That's what I'm going to use this for. You can also use for anything, like when you're in your car or anywhere it's more convenient to have something to hold your cell phone. Instead of you holding it in your hands, you can just put it in this clamp. You can use a tripod, but it's not convenient because otherwise the tripod will only work when you have a good place to put your stand. But for very cramped space like this is more convenient to use this kind of cell phone holder. So I just clamp it here on this table, a small table, and there you go. You can just put it like this anywhere you want. It's easy, it's very convenient. A little bit springy, but if you put a hold on it for a while, it is going to stabilize. Then now you can get a perfect shot on your subject. It's pretty simple, but it's a very handy tool for holding your cell phone whenever you want something to hold it instead of you holding with your hands. So you can the advantage of this is you can use this anywhere, especially when the space is very tight, like inside your car or in your bedroom. So basically these are all made of plastic, of course, but pretty much it looks like this kind of plastic is a little bit more, it's not ordinary plastic. So I think inside here there's a stiff metal inside, spring like metal. It looks like in here, in this kind of setup, it's doing its job of holding this cell phone. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it, guys. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned to watch more of my incoming tutorial and review of these gadgets.